Let's look at Cat Extreme application grease and when you might need to use it. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Cat Extreme application grease is designed to stay where you put it for ultimate joint protection. It resists water washouts and protects against rust. And it's so durable that you'll grease 5 times less. That adds up to a week more of uptime and profit each year. Extreme application grease is ideal for high-use machines and harsh environments. There are 2 main types, Cat Extreme application grease 1 and 2. Type 1 works well in cooler climates and in auto loop systems. Type 2 is better for warmer areas. Both types are good for average working conditions. There are also Arctic and desert options for colder and drier climates. Be sure to check daily that grease zerks are still receiving grease. And if your equipment has an auto lube system, you still need to make sure your joints are not dry. Call your dealer or scan the code to order online. Your dealer can also help you order planned maintenance kits equipped with grease for hassle-free maintenance. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.